Guys, welcome back to another video. It's Billy here on the channel WBC Films, and today we're going to be playing Nerf 4 with my friends William and Cooper. So the gun I'm going to be using is the X-Shot Turbo Fire, and let's do this. So I'm going to do that first. Where's your gun? I'm distraction. You go for William. I'll just run past. So you shh. Gunny. Okay, guys, we're gonna go around the back. But yeah, I hear William. I see them. He's right there. He might catch me. I don't think you can see, but he's right there. Sorry, I got a terrible camera. But he's right there. You might be able to hear him. I see him though. If I get dark or something, he might not see me. No, you shot him and I shot him twice.
Oh, he's out. You should have took...
Get your gun. Frick. Where's this dog? I wish I had my aimer.
Fine.
What the? Ooh.
Oh, what?
Yoink. Yoink.
It's the Matrix.
But you can't shoot.
Oh, what the?
Wait, did you get shot?
How much life do you have? 2.
Yeah.
How much do you have?
I have 0. I mean, I have 3. You can get behind the shed. How much ammo do I have? I don't have that much ammo. Wait, can you refill?
Yeah, no pause it.
Okay.
Did it? Yeah,
Keep it spectator now. Oh! That's such a good miss. Should get closer to.
No.
Ah, that's my head. Okay, I've got 2 lives left. Okay. You said you couldn't push. No. Wait, you have 1 more life left, right?
No, I have 2.
I swear to God, I hit him twice.
I think. Yeah, when
What the? come back here. This is so hard.
See? Mine only is one at a time.
Well, I've ran out. Why isn't Cooper spectating anymore?
His phone ran out of battery.
He's bored, right? Wait, what's he gonna do?
I'll charge it.
Oh, shuck.
This guy
That hit my gun. It hit my gun! Oh my god. Still 2 lives. Is this like the longest war we've ever had?
Yeah.
2v2. 1v1. The one that Cooper recorded was so quick. It's like a minute he got out. The hell? Oh, fuck. You know, I can't. Yeah!
You need to reload.
Give me that. Here. God, no.
Bullet.
Oh!
Get in.
No.
That hit you.
No.
Yeah.
I didn't feel anything.
That's the
We both have 1 life left. Who will win the amazing battle?
Who's gonna win? Him?
Oh! These bullets are so dark. Cooper, why are you using that gun? Imagine if I just used my gun to block. Oh. Move, Cooper, you're gonna get hit.
Oh yes!
No! Cooper!
He's already won. Yes, thanks.
Good game, William.
Bullets. Yeah, good game. Bullets.
Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to our channel, WBC Films. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.